guys, welcome to Datagiri and we are back again with another interesting video on a versus topic. Hi, my name is Afreen Rahman and in today's video is going to be all about two of the most popular data visualization tools, which are Tableau and Power BI. So guys, before we proceed further, do subscribe Insight's YouTube channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any upcoming videos. So let's have a look at the agenda of the video today. First and foremost, we'll discuss what exactly is Tableau and Power BI. After that, we'll see the data visualization in both of them. Then we'll discuss a few of the parameters based on which we will differentiate in between Tableau and Power BI. Now, after discussing the parameters, we'll see the functionalities, support level and licensing. And then we'll also talk about the infrastructure and scalability in Power BI and Tableau. Finally, we'll conclude our video by discussing which one is better to choose. Also, if you guys are looking to get certified in Power BI or Tableau, do visit our website www.insight.co. Alright guys, so now without any further delays or ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, we'll discuss what exactly is Tableau and Power BI. Starting off, what is Tableau? Now Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool which is used in BI industry. Now by using this, you can simplify raw data into an easily understandable format. Tableau was developed in 2003 and the data that you create using Tableau can be understood by professionals at any level. And the best part of this is that it does not require hardcore technical skills. Even a person who does not have any programming knowledge can create customized dashboards in Tableau. Now, moving on to what exactly is Power BI. So Power BI is basically a business analytics tool which was developed by Microsoft in 2013. It is generally used for interactive data visualization and business intelligence. Now, it provides an interface which is easy and simple to understand as well as work with. Now, end users can create their own dashboards and reports using Power BI. Now, as we have discussed about these tools in brief, now let us discuss about data visualization in both of them. So first and foremost, let us understand what exactly is data visualization. So data visualization is nothing but representing a particular data in the forms of charts, diagrams, graphs, and so on. So instead of going through the reports which are made of complex and large amount of data, you can use graphs, diagrams, charts, etc., as they will be more convenient for the users to understand. Now, which BI tool should you use for data visualization? Well, it completely depends. If you are looking for data visualization tool for customized data visualization, then you can go for Power BI, as you can drag and drop into the visualization through a sidebar and you can import the data as well. It has also opened up data, software development kit, which helps you convert data from various data sources into interactive reports and dashboard. Whereas when it comes to data visualization using Tableau, then it is majorly used for pure visualization. Like if you're looking for more organized and clean approach, then you can choose Tableau, and this data visualization are created in the form of worksheets or dashboards. Now, Tableau provides connections to multiple different sets of data sources and it is majorly used for larger sets of data visualization in an organization. So it has some additional, drill down features also as compared to Power BI. Now, let's move forward and discuss about the parameters based on which we will differentiate between both these tools. So the first parameter that we have is performance here. So in Tableau, it can handle a large amount of data from different data sources with better performance, whereas Power BI can only handle a limited amount of data. Second parameter is the source of data. Now, Power BI has limited access to other servers and databases as compared to Tableau. For example, Oracle databases, SQL Server databases, SAP HANA, databases, and so on. Whereas in Tableau, it has got access to multiple number of different servers and database sources such as text file, JSON file, PDF file, Excel, statistical files, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle Redshift. The list goes on and on, right? In the third point, we have the difficulty level of learning, right? Or the learning curve. So in Power BI, it is comparatively easier to learn as compared to Tableau, right? Even if we see from the learner's point of perspective or the business point of perspective, Power BI is comparatively easier to understand as well as easier to learn. Now, I'm not saying that Tableau is very much difficult to learn or understand, but Power BI is comparatively a little more precise when it comes to such kind of terminologies. So now if we talk about data compatibility, then in Power BI, each report workspace can handle up to 10 GB of data, and more than 10 GB of data is supposed to be in cloud or Azure. I would say, but if it in a local database, then Power BI, if your data exists in a local database, then Power BI just pulls the data and does not import them. But in case of Tableau, it works on columnar based structure. That is, it only allows to store unique values for every column that it has. And that is how it has kind of more scalable approach when compared to Power BI. Right now, there is also the approach of scalability, and in Tableau we have different outsourcing tools as well, even including all these Microsoft based tools as well as outsourcing based tools that will assess all the parameters together. Right now, the other parameter that we have is the data modeling. Right now, Power BI provides different kind of dots which are more accessible to the users, when tabular data does not provide to them. And then finally, we have application. So Power BI is used for dashboards, it is used for custom visuals and more like open source approaches. But Tableau is used for longer run operations and ad hoc analysis, as we have discussed. Right now, let's wrap up this session for most of you and have a small discussion over which one is better to choose, Tableau or Power BI. Honestly, one cannot say directly that one BI tool is better than the other, because Power BI can be better option for smaller organizations, as Power BI offers more affordable business solutions, whereas Tableau users can integrate a huge amount of data points from different data sources for analysis. Right? So both Tableau and Power BI have their pros and cons and different feature which either both of them have, right. But if you want to conclude, it all depends also upon your business size and its requirements. So, and in the end, if we very much talk about the career scopes in there, then of course career in both of these domains is of higher relevance, as the majority of the companies are in dire need of BI professionals with the skill sets of both Tableau and Power BI. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any further queries, then do let us know in the comment section below. We'll reach out to you immediately. Thank you so much for watching this video and for giving us your precious time. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.